Hello friends, welcome you back. Now we are going to discuss question number 7. Prove that area of an equilateral triangle described on one side of a square is equal to half the area of the equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonal. Okay, so given is ABCD is a square. You can see ABCD, ABCD, it is a square. One of the diagonal is AC, so diagonal is here AC. Triangle APC, you can see triangle APC and triangle BQC, triangle BQC are two equilateral triangles. So these two triangles are equilateral and they are described on diagonal AC. The first triangle is described or based on diagonal AC and side BC. Okay. Now, what we need to prove? We have to prove that area of triangle BQC, this triangle, is equal to 1 by 2 area of triangle APC. 1 by 2 of area of triangle APC. This is what we have to prove. So let's move to the proof section now. Okay. Since triangle APC, you can see triangle APC and triangle BQC, they are equilateral triangle, they must be similar, isn't it? Because all the angles of first triangle, all the angles of equilateral triangles are equal. Therefore, triangle APC and triangle BQC, are similar, and the criterion of similarity is angle, angle, angle. Now, area of triangle APC, the first triangle APC, divided by area of triangle APC divided by area of triangle BQC, this triangle BQC, will be equal to AC square by BC square, isn't it? AC square divided by BC square. Now again, if you remember in class 9, we have studied diagonal of a square. Diagonal of a square is equal to root 2 into 1 of its side. Therefore, diagonal will be equal to root 2 into side. So, root 2 into BC, root 2 into BC, root 2 into side will be equal to AC. So, root 2 into BC equal to AC. Now, root 2 BC divided by BC whole square. Where we got it? We got it from here. AC square divided by BC square. In place of AC, we can write root 2 BC. So AC square will be equal to root 2 BC square. Now root 2 BC square. Square we have not written here. We have written whole square here. Okay. So root 2 BC divided by BC square. So BC is there. So root 2 BC divided by BC whole square is equal to 2. Why? Because you can see BC and BC will be cancelled out. Root 2 square is equal to 2. Root 2 square is equal to 2 and BC will be cancelled. So we got this value is 2. Whose value? This value. Area of triangle APC divided by area of triangle BQC. Area of triangle APC and divided by area of triangle BQC. BQC. Okay. Is equal to 2. So we will write it down that we will write it down now. So area of triangle APC divided by area of triangle BQC is equal to 2 now, isn't it? So again, area of triangle APC will be equal to, this is the denominator now. In the denominator, area of triangle BQC is there. So if we will move the denominator, if we will move the denominator to RHS, then what will happen? It will multiply by into or by 2. So area of triangle APC is equal to 2 into area of triangle BQC. Okay. Or in other words, you can say area of triangle BQC, this is equal to 2 is multiplied here. If you move it to this side, left side, then or to LHS, then it will be into 1 by 2, isn't it? So here it is. We have written this. So area of triangle BQC is equal to 1 by 2 area of triangle APC. Hence, we have proved. Question has asked us to prove area of triangle BQC equal to 1 by 2 area of triangle APC. Hence, prove. Yes. Now we'll move to the next question here. Here in question number 8, the question is tick the correct answers and justify. You just don't have to tick only, you have to justify also why you are taking the answer. So let's read the question. ABC and BD are two equilateral triangles. ABC triangle, you can see ABC triangle, and BD. What is BD? Here it is. BD. These two triangles are equilateral triangles. Such that D is the midpoint of BC. What is D? You can see D. D is the midpoint of BC. Okay, that means BD equal to BC. Ratio of area of triangle ABC. What is ABC? This big triangle ABC. And BDE. That is BDE. You can see this small one BDE. Okay, so you have to find the ratio of these two triangles, big triangle and small triangle BDE. Okay, he's saying what will be the ratio? The first option is 2 is to 1, 1 is to 2, 4 is to 1, 1 is to 4. You can pause the video and ask and say your answer. Okay, so we'll move forward. Here you can see BD equal to DC. BD is equal to DC is equal to 1 by 2 BC. 1 by 2 BC, because it is told it is given that D is the midpoint of BC. Now let each side of the triangle is 2A. Let's say AC equal to 2A. Then BC will be equal to 2A. AB will also be equal to 2A. Isn't it? If all these sides are 2A, then BD will be equal to half of 2A. That is it. So the side of this big triangle ABC is 2A, and one of the side of this small triangle BDE is A. Now triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDE. Why? Triangle ABC and triangle BDE are similar. Why? Because they are equilateral triangles. Okay. Now area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle BDE. Area of triangle ABC, the big triangle, and area of the triangle small triangle will be equal to ratio of the square of their sides, isn't it? Therefore, will be equal to AB square divided by BD square. We have written it equal to AB square by BD square. Okay, we have assumed, if you have remembered, AB equal to 2A and BD was equal to A. Now you can put this value AB in place of AB, you can put 2A, and in place of BD you can put A. Yeah. Now 2A square divided by A square is equal to 2A square is 4A square divided by A square. Now you can cancel the A square and A square. Okay. Now what will remain? A square is cancelled. Here it is 4. Here after cancelling 1 is there. Okay. So equal to 4 is to 1, or 4 divided by, or 4 equal to 1. So what we got? Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle BD, area of triangle ABC and divided by area of triangle BD is equal to 4 is to 1. Now let us move to the question again. Now we can see which option is right. Yes. So option which one? 4 is to 1 is the correct answer. So you can write the answer here, and also you can justify your answer in this way. Now last question, question number 9. Let's move to question number 9 now. It is also a very easy question. So this type of question you have to answer in some fraction of minutes. That means some 4 seconds, 5 seconds, 6 seconds. You can just see and say tell the answer. Okay. We are just justifying so that it is taking time. Otherwise, it will take some 1-2 seconds only. So now let's move to question number 9. Side of two similar triangles are in the ratio of 4:9. Side of two similar triangles. So two triangles are there, triangle ABC and triangle DEF, and they are similar. And side of the two similar triangles are in ratio of 4:9. So the sides are in the ratio of 4:9. Okay. Area of these triangles are in ratio dash. So area of these triangles are in the ratio dash. So I think most of you have guessed the answer. So let's move. Let's see what is the answer. Yes. So ABC and DF are two similar triangles. Okay na? Therefore AB by D will be equal to AC by DF and will be equal to BC by DF, which is equal to 4:9 or 4 by 9. Okay na? This is given in our question. Now, area of as these two triangles are similar, therefore area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF will be equal to, yes, square of their ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. So AB square divided by D square, AB square divided by D square. But before that, AB by D was equal to 4:9 or 4 by 9. So we can replace the value of AB by D as 4 by 9 whole square. Okay na? So here okay, we will write again. This is what we have written it again here. Okay, will be equal to area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to 4 by 9 whole square. Okay, so AB by D was 4 by 9, AB by D was 4 by 9, 4 by 9 whole square equal to 16 by 81 equal to 16 by 8, 16 is to 81. So the answer is 16 is to 81. I hope you have guessed the right answer. So this is the end of this exercise. Thank you.